Alright, this is my Martin garage door opener. Item number 79965, serial number 000013105. I think it's called a DC 37E garage door opener. It is making an awful noise, and it's coming up from this part of the garage door opener right there. Whatever's in there. I'm going to try putting some silicone lubricant in and see if it helps. But anyways, this is supposed to have a lifetime warranty, and I'm going to have to get somebody to either come fix it, replace it. The last time I called the garage door company come try to fix it, it wasn't necessarily doing this, but we called Martin Garage and they wanted all sorts of stuff, and I couldn't find the receipt. I think I found it by now, because I ordered this through Direct Buy back when I bought the house. So hopefully this fixes the problem. So let's check this out. I'm going to hit the garage opener and look what it's doing. So it's coming from somewhere in the opener. Okay, I guess a door detected like something, but it's the opener. Alright, so we're going to try to add some silicone and see if it helps right in this spot right there. Okay, if it doesn't help, then that's a different story. I've pretty much exhausted all. The garage door company guy said try to use this lubricant and not any other type of lubricant for this type of work. So we'll see what it does. So Blaster 1 silicone lubricant, we'll see. I hope this fixes the problem. But I think this garage door opener has probably seen better days. Well, it doesn't look like it helped much. Let's open it back up and see what it does. Okay, I'm gonna open it. Well, it's not making any more noise there, but okay, I see. I see some stuff in there. I mean, I don't know if it's something's worn out or what, but that's the belts, I think, at the bottom. Let's see if that helps. Well, I opened it up after spraying the inside of, it doesn't seem like it helped any. So, I have a feeling this garage opener is toast. Call Martin and see what happens in the morning. Let's see one more time. It's coming from in here. It's fine opening up. Okay, so it's only when it's releasing the door down that it makes that noise. Look at that shit. No, I should be able to take him, babe.
You sure?
I think so.
Okay.